With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says select the correct statement with respect to anther. So the first statement here is that the anther lobes are attached to each other by a band of vascularized sterile tissue. So here we see that anther is a bilobed structure, that means having two lobes, whereas the two lobes are attached to each other by means of a vascular strand which is sterile in nature. So this statement here, that is the A statement, is the correct statement. While the statement B says that the fibrous bands are present in hydrokerataceae, whereas fibrous bands are absent in hydrokerataceae. So statement number B is a wrong statement. Fibrous bands are the bands of callose which occurs in case of endothecium, and this occurs in the form of U-shaped bands which help in the dehiscence of anther to release the mature pollen grains. So this occurs due to dehiscence of anther. So here the B statement is wrong. The C statement says that microsporangia on maturity gets filled with pollen grains. Yes, microsporangia are the spore containing structures which contains microspore mother cells, and these microspore mother cells are going to undergo a process of meiosis and gets converted into pollen sacs which is filled up with large number of pollen grains. So millions of pollen grains will be there. So at maturity they are called as pollen sacs because of this particular feature. So statement number C is the right statement. The fourth statement says that there is a homogeneous mass of meristematic tissues in the microsporangium which forms a microspore mother cell. Yes, as already explained in the previous statement, that the microspore mother cells, which is a diploid cell, it is a homogeneous mass of cells, and there are millions of these microspore mother cells which are going to carry out a process of microsporogenesis, that is meiosis, to form further millions of pollen grains in the plants. So this statement D is also the correct statement. Then we have the statement number E. It says cells of the middle layers nourishes the pollen grains. Remember, cells of the middle layers are 1 to 3 layers in number, whereas they are not helpful for the nourishment. They are for the protection of the anther, whereas the cells of the tapetum are the ones which provide the nourishment to the pollen grain. If there is defective tapetum formation, the pollen grains will not be formed properly. So statement number E is also wrong. So according to our explanation, now we can see that we can mark option number 2 as a right answer for this question, that is A, C and D, whereas the other options which are here are the wrong choices. So let's mark this option as the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.